Hi guys! So today is a very important day guys. Kakatapos ko lang mag-work. So ngayon, pupunta tayo dun sa ballet class nung aking bunso, no? Very excited siya. Of course, as a dad, very excited din ako. So samahan nyo kami guys. Pupunta kami dun sa first day ng ballet class nung anak ko. Alright? Let's go! Diva, are you excited, Diva?
Yes!
Yeah, we're going to ballet. First day.
Yay!
Let's go.
Yay!
We're here. Let's go. Parang ako pang ang mas excited eh. Let's go. Let's go guys. Excited yung baby ko. Hi Diva.
Hi!
Are you excited baby?
Yes!
Yes.
I wanna get one.
Ganda-ganda ng baby ko. Smile baby, smile. Smile to Papa.
Daddy! It's funny! Trying to make my
Hi Diva. Are you excited Diva? Enjoy, okay? Have fun. Have fun. Look at all the medals there. Oh wow.
I'm sorry?
You wanna join too?
No!
Look at that princess. Oh.
Okay, have a seat. You know the box?
Yes.
Try the box. Mama will put on the... What's that, Ma?
Ballet shoes.
Ballet shoes. Okay. Kala ko merong tawag na ano, something. Wow. Wow, Diva. Oh, wow.
This is leather, baby. It's very nice shoe.
That's cool.
It looks a little bit bad. It is big for her. It should be.
You like it?
Why?
Huh?
Because the other one is too small. Okay.
Show me nga, sample dance. Sample. Wow.
She just said, ask you, so I don't know.
I'll see you.
Okay,
Hey guys. Enjoy, Diva. I love you. Okay, so yung anak ko nasa loob na, no? Unfortunately, hindi ko siya makikita doon kasi close room. So, we are all excited. Akala ko pa naman makikita ko siya. But anyway, mamaya magkikwentuhan na lang kami noon kung anong experience na sa loob. Alright? But for now, dito lang kami sa labas, naghihintay with the boys. Hi, Shoes.
Hello.
Yeah. Alright? Mamaya, balik ulit tayo kapag tapos na siyang magsayaw. Yay! Sure.
One more.
Diva!
Ready, Diva?
Smile to Papa. Ready? 1, 2, smile. One more. There you go.
No tears allowed.
Diva, smile.
Mom.
Okay, we're done. How was it, Diva?
Good.
You have fun?
Yes.
Face here. You have fun, Diva?
Yes.
How's the lesson?
Good.
All good?
Yes.
You have fun?
Yes.
Nice. Oh, like that?
And I also do this.
Oh, you're doing that? Wow, galing ah.
Did you bow?
And that's the end.
So great.
Ayun lang guys, tapos na kami mag-ballet dance. Balik na uli kami sa bahay.
Ah.
Di ba? Ganun lang dito guys. Chill lang.
I'm not sweating.
And then, let's go home.
Yay.
So after ng ballet, magte-training naman kami ng boys. Kasi guys, meron kami paghahandaang tournament. Right? So ayun yung mga boys ko. Jogging lang muna kami para mag-build up ang stamina. Go guys! Go! Come on, Percy! Right? Yan. Eh, syempre, jogging na rin tayo guys. This is good for health. Right? After ng trabaho, dito lang. Spend time with your family guys. Right? Let's go! Maganda yung trail na to guys kasi merong patag, tapos meron din siyang paakyat, kaya talaga maganda sa stamina to guys. Yan. Hinihingal na kami ng mga boys, but let's go.
A few moments later.
So yun guys, tapos na ako makipag-banding sa mga kids ko, and then nakapag-exercise na rin ng konti kanina, tapos na rin kami mag-dinner, no? So ngayon guys is just a very light vlog, you know, kasi yung sa mga nangyari for the past days and past weeks, talagang kung makikita nyo dun sa mga posts natin ng mga, or yung mga uploads natin is kinda on the negative side, no, ng mga nangyayari ngayon dito sa Canada. So kaya naisipan ko lang din na mag-post naman ng something kakaiba, something light, no. So sabi ko nga kanina, this is a very special day kasi first day ng ballet class nung aking daughter, no. So sobrang saya namin doon, sobrang nag-enjoy talaga siya, no. So but again, tapos na tayo sa mga bonding with family. Balik tayo sa grind ngayon kasi tonight meron akong overtime guys, no. Ayan, so nakalagin na ulit ako sa office. So in a few minutes kailangan ko na ulit magtrabaho for a while. So yun lang guys. Na-share ko lang sa inyo yung mga happenings today para naman meron tayong something na light, something na kakaiba, no? Kasi nga, as I've said, no, sunod-sunod yung mga negative natin na video na hindi naman natin maiiwasan guys, kasi gusto ko rin ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung nangyayari dito sa Canada, whether positive or negative, no? Kaya din, I decided na ipakita talaga sa inyo kung ano nangyayari sa mga changes sa IRCC and everything. Kaya yung mga post natin for the past days is ganun talaga, no guys. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung reality din, di ba? So, hindi muna tayo nag-post ng kahit ano since wala pa rin namang update, no? So, we are still waiting dun sa mga mangyayari pa sa mga susunod na araw, right? So, yun guys. So, share ko lang yun sa inyo today. Thank you for watching and see you again on my next video. Peace guys!